Hello everyone, my name is Tyron and I work at an online development agency called Encrypt Online that specializes in e-commerce and search engine optimization among other things. I am a full stack developer that predominantly focuses on external and internal systems integrations and server maintenance. You can get in contact with us at www.ecretonline.co. Today I would like to talk to you about secure socket layer certificates, SSL for short, and more recently, transport layer security, TLS for short. How to get free certificates for your websites, and software that can help automate the creation and renewal of said certificates. I'm not going to spend too much time on detailing how the encryption works, but I'll give you a quick introduction. I will post this link of this webpage that you are currently seeing and all other links to follow in the description below. Any personal data such as your address and your credit card details used into the server can normally be snooped on by a third party, as your data gets bounced around between other computing devices on the World Wide Web before it reaches their destination. This is commonly known as a man-in-the-middle attack, and this is where SSL and TLS comes to the rescue. SSL and TLS are encryption algorithms that encrypt data along the communication channels between your computer device and the server you intend to talk with. This is becoming ever important in the fight to privacy, hacking, and identity theft. TLS is an updated protocol of SSL and is predominantly used today. However, I will use them interchangeably throughout the rest of the video. Browsers and operating systems have a database of authoritative SSL certificate providers. Generally, you would have to pay one of these providers to provide you with a certificate for your domain. However, there is a non-profit certificate authority called Let's Encrypt. Let's Encrypt will provide you with free SSL certificates. However, these certificates will only last you about 30 days. Luckily, there are some third-party clients that exist to help ease the pain of creation and renewal of the certificates. You can read more about the authority and potential third-party clients on their website, www.letsencrypt.org. At ECAT, we use a Windows server with IIS. Thus, I'll show you the win-acme client and how easily you can create a certificate, install it on IIS, and the client generates a task to you and renew it every 30 days. You can download this client at www.win-acme.com. To get started, you'll first have to download and zip the client to location you prefer. Then you will right click and run as administrator. On first install, you may have to do some initial setup, which you can do by just following on the on-screen prompts. I'm going to show you how quickly and easy it is to install a certificate. So from the menu, I'm going to press enter the command, Control N. It's going to ask me which website I want to install it on. I'm going to look through the list and find the number. "151". Type in the value 151. I pick all bindings and I choose one that will be the main subject of the certificate. And I'll continue with the selection and then it will generate. It's authorizing the website that we're hosting the website and install the certificate on the IIS already. Depending on how many domains you have, this might take a while, and there it's done. And that's how easy it is to install and automate renewal of SSL certificates. There is no reason not to have a secure website. Always check for the lock symbol in your address bar. That's lock symbol up in the top left. Avoid using non-HTTPS based websites and protect yourself from these man-in-the-middle attacks. I hope I have left you with some helpful tips and useful information. Please like, subscribe, and or share this video to get the word.